And how's it going, guys? Say I7 take care, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the Instagram icon from the current one you see right now to anyone that you want. So what you're going to need to do first is click on the Instagram icon and open it, and then what you're going to do is go into your profile, go into settings. After settings, click on settings, and then scroll down. And once you scroll down and hold it, scroll down once you get that, and then there you go. You can go to classic, you can go to anyone that you want. I'm just gonna go to, let's say, classic. Choose that, and I'm done. There you go. You can change your icon that easy, that quick, because it's Instagram's birthday. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm myself Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.